Hi everyone, I'm Dovey with Simply Dovey. If you're new here, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. This video is a part of a 3-part series. In my first video, I showed you how to make sugar cookies. This video, I'm going to be showing you how to make royal icing, and then I have a third video where I'm showing you how I decorate unicorn sugar cookies. Below in the description box, I will have a link for the first part and the third part so you can go and watch those as well if you want. So in this video, I am showing you how to make the royal icing, and it only takes 3 ingredients, so it's really easy to make. So if you want to see how to make royal icing, then continue watching. To make the royal icing, I am using 4 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar, 3 tablespoons of meringue powder. Now I'm going to be adding in 5 to 8 tablespoons of room temperature water. I do start by just putting in 4 tablespoons of water, then mixing my mix, and then I will slowly add in future tablespoons of water after that. So I will add a tablespoon, mix, then I will add another tablespoon of mix until I get to the consistency that I want, and I am looking for a flooding consistency. And how I check that is I take a spoon and I take some of my frosting and drop it back down on top of the frosting in the bowl, and I count to see how long it takes for that frosting to smooth back into itself. So I look for no longer than 20 seconds, and once it does that, it is all ready to go. So once it's ready to go, I can either leave my royal icing white or I can color it. I do use gel food colorings to color my royal icing. The difference between the two are just basically the containers. With the wilt-in, you unscrew the lid and the container is open, and you would use a toothpick or something to dip it out and put it into the icing. With the Americolor, it is a squirt bottle, which is more convenient. Whichever one you decide to go with, it only takes a small bit to actually color your icing with. A little bit does go a long way, so once I have the coloring into my icing, I'm just going to give it a stir, and then it will become violet. And then I'm ready to decorate my cookies with it. I can either spread it on with a knife, or I can put it in piping bags and pipe it on. And I do prefer the piping on method. And also, if you want to see how I decorate cookies, then click the link down below where I show you how to make some unicorn heart cookies. They are really cute. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.